Hello guys, welcome to BigDataBrainiacs YouTube channel. So this video we are going to discuss how we can set up Ubuntu in VMware. Basically, if you are experienced or if you are a fresher, so you want to practice the shell scripts or Linux commands, so you have to install your Ubuntu in your machine. So that setup requires BIOS settings, and lot of settings is required in your machine, as if you want to install the Ubuntu as a separate OS, right? So other than that, we have another option. We can create a virtual machine in our Windows only, and we can set up Ubuntu into it, and we can continue to learn the shell scripts and Linux commands over there. So in this video I'm going to talk about this, how we can set up and how we can run a sample shell script in that Ubuntu whatever we have installed in the VMware, right? So let's get started. For setup Ubuntu in VMware, we require two softwares. One is a virtual machine, VMware or software, and the other one is Ubuntu iOS file. Ubuntu iOS file, we can call it as an image file, we can say. So first, let's download the VMware from the site. So search like VMware workstation download. So once you are in the website, then if you come down here, you can see the download now option, workstation 17 Pro for Windows download. So once you click here the download, so it will automatically start the downloading process. The file around it has 572 MB of size, so I have already downloaded, so I'm canceling the downloading. The other one is Ubuntu. Type Ubuntu download and go to the first link, and here you can see download Ubuntu desktop. If you come down, then here you can see the download 22 version. So I am selecting this 22 version at this time. So once you click on this download, it will start downloading immediately. I'm canceling this process also, as I have already downloaded. Okay. Once download done, then you can see the two softwares like this. One is Ubuntu iOS file, which contains around 4.69 GB. The other one, VMware, it is around 571 MB. Okay, first install the VMware with the run as administrator. Clicking on next, accept, next, next. I don't want updates and all. Next, desktop, yes, install. Once the setup is done, it will ask for the restart. So I will restart my machine, and I will open this VMware after restart. Finish. It is asking for restart. I will restart my machine. Yeah, I have restarted my machine. So once I have installed VMware, so here you can see the VMware has been already installed. So this is how it looks like basically. So when you create a new workstation, so basically here you can add a virtual machine, and if suppose if you want to open any virtual machine already configured, you can click on here, and you can connect to the remote server also. Once you install the VMware, and once you open the VMware icon, then it asks for the license. Here I have already added license, so that's the reason it is not asking for me, but it asks for you definitely initial time. If it is asking a license for you, then what you can do is in a Google, you can search like a Windows Pro 7 keys. So here you can click on the first link, and here they have provided a list of keys, so you can use any of the key, it will definitely work out for you. So for me the first key it work out for me, and now I will be configure my virtual machine. So click on the create new virtual machine, typical. So I am trying to setting up at the VMware downloads. So this is where I have my iOS file is there, so I have selected that. Next, it is asking for the full name and username and password, confirm password. So I'm giving like my username. Right now for temporarily I'm giving a 123456 password. Click on next. It will be going to gets placed at the documents path as like this, or else if you want to configure at any of the place, you can configure your Ubuntu setup. So I'm using the default path only, whatever they have given. So here you can configure what is the maximum size you can set up. So let's say I want to configure like a 40 GB or 80 GB also you can give. Okay, and store virtual split virtual box into the multiple files, or splitting the I can select store virtual disk as a single file, disk into the multiple files. What it is, splitting the disk makes it easier to move virtual machine to another computer, but may reduce performance with very large disk. So I don't want to go with that, I want to go with this single file only. So clicking on next. So here you can click on finish. I have linked Ubuntu iOS file to my virtual machine. The Ubuntu is getting installed into your virtual machine. This takes little time actually to set up Ubuntu. Is asking for the what is the language we need to select, so I'm selecting the English. Continue. Downloads updates, I don't want any downloads, and normal installation selected. Continue. Guys, installation is taking much time for this Ubuntu one, so I'm bit fast forwarding the video. So I'm erasing the disk whatever currently is there, so installing it. If you continue with this list, otherwise you will be losing. So as of now whatever I have selected, so nothing is there, so I am selected that one, erasing this, and I'm continuing. And if you want to skip that, you can skip that one also, but I'm continuing with the rest. I'm selecting my geographical location is India. I'm giving my username and all. Giving password as temporarily 123456. 123456. Login automatically. Continue. This installation takes around 20 to 30 minutes time. In meantime, you will just sit and relax. Once it gets restarted, you can see the Ubuntu like this. Our Ubuntu is about to getting start loading. In the meantime, I will just touch upon this VMware, how you can use it and all. If suppose if you want to create any new virtual machine, then you can select this option. If you want to view in a full screen, you can click on this one, or else you can click on this one. Once you click this one, you can visualize in a full mode. And if you want to, once your work is done, then you can shut down this one, or else if you want to pass for a while, you can suspend the guest. If you want to restart, then you can select this one. Yeah, seems our setup is completed. Then where is my mouse? Yeah, so this is your desktop, and here you can create a new folder. You can give any of the name. One second guys, sorry. I have created a folder and I'm creating I'm opening in a terminal. So guys, this is your Linux terminal basically. So you can give any of the Linux command to see what are the list of long listing, and if you want to see the list of files, you can see this. So currently in this directory I don't see any of the files. So I'm creating a first file. Then I can see my first file got created. I'm opening this file in a VI mode. I'm keeping some kind of echo statement. Then I can see some content over here. I'm executing my Yeah, so you can, once I execute my shell script, you can see the output from this shell script. So this is how you can create your shell scripts, and you can practice your Linux commands and shell scripts whatever you want. Also we can set up the Hadoop environment also in this as a single node cluster, and multi-node cluster also we can set up. So in further videos we are going to discuss on those things, how we can set up a single node cluster in this VM virtual machine. Once you're done practice with your Linux commands or shell scripts and all, once you're done with the work, then you can shut down your virtual. You can shut down your Linux machine like this, like doing this, and click on the shutdown guest. Click on the shutdown guest. Here, one more thing I would like to show you, that we have to give the memory and processor. So here I have given the 2 GB, but if you give it as a 4 GB, then that would be good. Basically, you can see the setup over here. So the RAM, currently my system, my laptop has a 8 GB of RAM. It is showing recommended memory is 2 GB. I want to give the 4 GB of memory, and processor, currently it has a number of processor 2, and core per processor is 2, total process cores 2. This is enough for me, and currently I have allocated 40 GB to my this Ubuntu virtual machine. Current size is 12 GB, and system free is this is my current C drive, how much space it has it, and maximum size I have given as a 40 GB for my virtual machine, this Ubuntu virtual machine. Okay. So I have given the memory as a 4 GB. One second, let me give the 4 GB correctly. Yeah, done. Then I'm clicking on OK. Then yes, I can see the 4 GB memory is been set up. So once I am done, so I can close the virtual machine. And again, if I open the virtual machine, then I can see the Ubuntu is been mapping to the virtual machine. Then simply I can select this one. I can click on this one, or else I can click on this one to open my virtual machine, Ubuntu server. So once I click this one, again I can see that my virtual machine is getting loaded, the Ubuntu. Then I can again make a use of Ubuntu. I can start working on this Ubuntu server. So before it is coming up, I just want to reiterate the steps. It has only a few steps only, very easy setup. What you need to do, you need to download these two softwares, VMbox and Ubuntu. Once you install the VMbox, it may ask for serial. Then for the serial, as I shown, you can go to the Git and Git code, and from there you can pick it up the serial, and you can provide the serial key to this VMbox install. Then it will complete. It will complete the installation. Then you need to map your Ubuntu iOS to the one under the VMware. Then you need to install. It will automatically install the Ubuntu in the VMbox. Then once installation done, then you can plug and play your Ubuntu whatever is being installed. Yes, in between I can see my Ubuntu is up. I am skipping this one, and then oops, I think yes. So I can see my desktop. I can see my BigDataBrainiacs directory, and I can see my shell script, whatever I have written in shell script previously. Open with text editor. You can see whatever you have written in the VMware. So that's it for today's, guys. So that's all about this video, guys. Hope this video given some understanding on the big data and Hadoop related technologies. Please stay connected to our channel to know more insights of Hadoop related details. If you find this video as informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. See you in the next informative video. Bye.